Hell
Yo, today we just gonna be quick. I got a new product in from Gamma. Now, of course, Gamma and Stylecraft are the same, but we haven't necessarily heard the Gamma name too often. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. But we haven't really heard the Gamma name. We hear Stylecraft a lot more. Same company, I know, but I'm just saying. But they have a new product. And they sent it to me. We have the Gamma magnetic mat, right? And this has magnetic strips that hold 4 clippers, metal bar for metal accessories, USB cable block, right? That's sold separately. And then we have heat resistant, anti-slip. It comes with a bar to put your guards on, right? So this mat is $99 on the Gamma website, right? Pretty heavy duty. Very nice, right? So they got this bar here. You hold your clippers on. Not a lot, but you get you 4 clippers. When I say not a lot, that's to me, I got more than 4 clippers at my station, but there are barbers who don't have 10 clippers on their station. It makes sense, right? But you got that for your clippers. I don't know why they wouldn't just have another bar input here for your guards, but for your guards, you have to put this bar on and put your magnetic guards on. Now, as far as magnet, this magnet is very strong. Like it's strong, right? So if you are a person who use a magnetic mat or like that, this will be good. The reason because this is $99. This mat is $99. They say on there, they got a brick that you can have to charge 3 other clippers on there. 3 clippers, right? And that is this, which is Brotherhood with Gamma, right? And this hooks into this here. So this brick hooks into here, right here. Charging cable up top. Plug this up. And then you're able to charge 3 clippers, which is cool, but you can fit 4. But we're only gonna make it where you can charge 3. All right. And the reason I'm real finicky on this, because the mat is $99. This is $49.95. Now I get it. It got technology in it. You can charge 3 clippers at a time. Nice, right? So when you plug this in, this little light here blinks to tell you that it's ready to go. You got your clippers on your magnetic mat. You plug your USB. Now these have to be USB capable clippers. So you put your USB here, you plug it into the back of the clipper or the top of the clipper or trimmer, and it's ready to charge. Now, as far as what it does, it's cool. For me to use it, I had to make some room somewhere to kind of even really test it out, because I have a smaller station, but for those like with the toolbox stations and stuff, which I wish I had, it'll work. If you got enough room. I don't really have enough room for it, but I get it. The only thing is that price is $150 if you want to charge. If you just want the magnetic part of it, it's $99. Which in my brain, and my brain is not a lot up there, but this should cost more than just this. Because this is where your technology is. And then this is the mat. Now it's bigger, it's heavy duty, magnet, whatever. But Gamma, I could be wrong, but I don't see this being one of the products that people are rushing to go get, right? Why is my hair sticking up right there? I just looked in the mirror, it's like my hair is just like right there sticking up. Anyway, I don't see this being one of the tools people are rushing out to go get. I could be wrong. It's not a bad tool. It's just kind of with the Tune 45 charging mat, with the crazy good power box. I would say you get a crazy box before you get this. All right. For two reasons. First off, you can get one with 4. You can charge 4 clippers. You can get one with 3, but you can get one with 3, 4, 6, or whatever, and it saves space because this takes up a lot of space on your station, this mat, right? And then the price of it is kind of like, But if you do want to get it, you can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money in buying it, because I would suggest you save some money in buying it. But this is not one that I'm telling people to, hey, you gotta go get. That's just me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. If you dislike the videos, we will be back with another review, tutorial, review, unboxing, something. Peace.